this property right here ended up selling for $49,000.
So it's in a little cul-de-sac there.
Yeah, they might be going. This might be the wrong road. It could be that one. You know, they're valuing it at 218. Built in 1980. That's where I'm kind of wondering. That didn't look like a 1980 to me. That looks like older. I think this may be the wrong street. I think that was part of the problem when I tried looking it up before.
Yeah, well, in any case, you know, we know that they picked it up for 25% of value, you know, roughly.
Yeah. Well, yeah, there's plenty of good profit there, and we could figure out exactly. That would be part of the thing to figure it out. But it looks like a home built in 1980, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,200 square feet. In fact, we could probably easily figure out exactly which one it is by looking at the county. That's one thing that's nice when counties do have photos. Even if it's older, we can verify exactly which house it is.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it was a different property there.
Yeah. So nice little brick home, you know. This was back in 2024. They were still mowing it, but I wonder if it was currently being lived in or not.